Dr. Blied here with a tip for calming down sensory overload. You know that you're overwhelmed with your senses when you start to become more irritable, when you start to notice every single sound and every single smell, and all of it is just getting on your nerves. You're overloaded, overwhelmed. When this strikes, I want you to already have a survival kit ready. That will include something like noise canceling headphones or a weighted blanket or weighted lap pad. This can include sunglasses and also calming scents like lavender oil. There's so much research showing the big difference that a little dab of aromatherapy can make. Just putting it on your wrist, smelling it, or even having it dabbed inside of your mask when you're wearing your mask. Keep this survival kit nearby for work and home and when you're doing errands. Maybe you have a little mini kit inside of your car, for example. And doing this proactively will make a big difference in mitigating and managing when that overwhelm happens. You can also call it your calm kit.